Students that come to the University of South Wales receive far more than just a degree.
I definitely improved skills. It's really great.
I just feel much more confident in my abilities. I'm very thankful for that.
Automatically you've got a step up. I love it, really love it, yeah.
So the South Wales Business School has a vision that really is associated with becoming a professionally led business school. One that focused really on preparing our graduates for the careers that they aspire to once they leave us. We have real success in terms of the destinations of our students. Now ultimately what we find is that over 95% of our students are in employment within 6 months of leaving us. And I think that's testament of the approach we adopt at the South Wales Business School. Students who come and join us will experience innovative practice-led teaching. Students in their first year will have live experiences through the USW Exchange with small businesses in the region. During their second year with us, many of them will go on internships. They'll be off campus for a whole semester with a range of local businesses. Many of our students will have a paid placement for a full year during their third year of study. And now all of this prepares them for their future after study with us. And it's something we pride ourselves on. It's something that we believe is fundamental to a contemporary business education.
Whilst I was in uni, second year, there was a department there for work placements. Saw this opportunity, thought consultancy, always wanted to do it. Interviewed here, got it. In uni, they teach you all the theories and how you should approach things. So when things do go wrong, just refer back to what you learned in uni. Unlike most uni courses, logistics and supply chain is accredited. I chose the course not knowing the benefits of SIPs. One of the main reasons why I got that job is because of the accreditation that comes with going to uni at USW. Every job recruiter I've spoken to all love it. You don't realise how important it is until you actually speak to people within the industry. It's really beneficial.
I've been working for Hockey Wales. Uni found it for me. The European Championship was happening in Cardiff, so they were looking for an intern. I studied events management and my job here was to be an event assistant, so it was just perfect. All the lecturers were always here if you needed any help. It was really helpful. I definitely improved my communication skills, problem-solving skills as well. The lectures are really interesting, a great atmosphere in the class. You are able to find a placement which can lead to your future job, so it's great.
The added advantage of gaining experience is crucial. Jen came to us and ended up finding work, and she wouldn't have got that if she hadn't have come in and really grafted in the industry. So I would encourage all students to making the most of those placement opportunities.
At the moment, I am a games assistant at Commonwealth Games Wales. I would recommend the course because if it hadn't been for their help and their advice, I don't think I would have been as successful as I was maybe so soon. My main role on the placement was to plan and coordinate and actually deliver an event called the Queen's Baton Relay. I basically had to plan a series of complex events really, scattered over 4 days. My role really, right from the beginning, was liaising with all of the local organisers throughout Wales. It's been a phenomenal experience that I will never forget. It's those moments that really make it so worthwhile.
Studying business is obviously can open so many doors. To have people as capable as Laura is a huge, huge benefit to us.
It's been absolutely fantastic. The staff, the course has really made me grow as a person, which is really beneficial for my future employment.